This is Deputy Jason Bueno shortly before he illegally arrests auditing Reno 911, a fellow named Drew. Here's a better picture of Jason since he really doesn't like being on the internet. And let's watch him cry to the judge about how much harm this is doing.
As far as responding to his request to have it recorded, what are your thoughts?
Mr. Rebar is not a journalist. The contents of the videos that he's presenting constitute a Category C felony of aggravated stalking and harassment against myself. There's a criminal case that's being filed on that matter this week. He heavily edits videos in his favor, and he makes money off of those videos on the internet to curry social favor and status as well as financial. I believe that another reason for him to try to introduce cameras is so that he can edit and sway more public opinion, which in turn is damaging myself and my family. He's using the journalism tact in order to commit gross misdemeanor and Category C felonies against myself. My thought on him having the camera in the courtroom would be to further his stalking and harassment of myself and my family.
I don't think that I can say that Mr. Rebar is not a reporter. What I'm going to do is allow a supplement of the record if Mr. Rebar wishes to turn on the camera, have it at me, collect me and the voices of the parties. That can happen, and so if you want to set that up and point it at me, feel free.
May I live stream, Your Honor?
No.
Okay.
I have a question, Your Honor.
Yes.
So if this order is granted and he uses those videos to further drum up more threats against me, then that would be understandably a violation of that order. And I could file on violation of that order by further posting those videos and incurring those threats.
But I guess I'm not sure what you're asking. I mean, if what you're saying is if he posts the recording of me and the audio of the hearing, you want to do what with it?
Very shortly there'll be a cease and desist from my personal injury attorney to remove all content from YouTube as it's libelous and damaging, and it was proven such. So in order for him to further where he's going with this now, my concern is obviously that this recording is going to be used in the exact same way that he's been stalking myself and my family.
And if there's some wrong that flows from that, there's consequences that are potential for it, but I'm allowing it. I am not ordering that he can or can't post this proceeding. That Mr. Rebar does at his own risk, like any person who posts anything under any circumstance. So he's allowed to record the court and audio of this proceeding, the other parties talking. That's been my ruling.